So this is question number 5. This is question from computer organization, and here they want to know which of the following three characteristics are the characteristics of RISC processor. RISC means reduced instruction set computer. Okay, so the first option is register to register arithmetic operation only. So this is a characteristics of RISC. To enhance the speed of RISC processor, this RISC computer system incorporates a lot of register. So register to register arithmetic operation is done in RISC to make the system faster. After that, fixed length instruction format. Yes, this is also a characteristics of RISC, because in CISC, like complex instruction set computer, here this is the difference of a RISC and CISC. RISC and CISC. In RISC, the instruction length is fixed. Okay, but in CISC the instruction length is not fixed. So this is also characteristics of RISC processor. After that, hardware control unit. Okay, so this is also a RISC characteristics, because to enhance the speed only, they have depend on hardware rather than software. So for this question, the option D is the answer. So if you have any confusion, please let me know in the comment section, and if you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe, and thank you.